Email overload is real, but Google is changing the game. In this video, we're breaking down Gmail's new AI inbox and smart AI tools, straight from Google's official announcements. Let's dive in. Google is transforming Gmail into a smarter inbox using AI powered by Gemini, the same advanced large language model behind many of Google's generative AI features. Instead of just showing your messages chronologically, AI Inbox analyzes your emails and highlights what matters most, like reminders, upcoming deadlines, and high-priority replies you might have missed. One of the biggest updates is called AI Overviews. Gmail can summarize long email threads and extract key points instantly. No more scrolling through 30+ replies just to get the gist. You can now ask your inbox questions in plain English, like, "What was the price of the repair quote I got last year?" and Gmail will pull out the answer from your emails. Google also added improved AI writing tools, Help Me Write, smarter suggested replies, and proofread to draft, revise, or refine your messages faster. Here's how the AI inbox actually works: prioritizes what's important by analyzing email context. Highlights suggested actions and to-dos. Summarizes entire conversations. Helps you respond intelligently with AI-assisted drafting. Google says these AI extensions happen securely with your data under your control, without using your personal content to train generative models. These updates are rolling out first to trusted testers and US users, with plans to expand to more countries and accounts over the coming months. Some AI features like asking questions or advanced writing suggestions may require a Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription in certain regions. Instead of manually sorting through hundreds of emails, Gmail will soon act more like a personal assistant, summarizing conversations, highlighting tasks, and even drafting messages for you. This could save hours every week, especially for busy professionals, students, or anyone dealing with email overload. If you want to stay updated on Gmail AI features and troubleshooting tips as they roll out globally, hit that subscribe button and click like if you're excited about Gmail becoming smarter with AI.